unleash that wicked wrist shot that he possesses. Oh my goodness, nice collision.
And Brock Nelson just got buried by Bortuzzo and repeatedly cross-checked while he's down on the ice.
That should be at least a double minor. Nelson collided with number 56, Priority, and that was accidental. I mean, they just didn't see each other. Bortuzzo didn't like it. That should be a minimum 4 minutes. He had the original 2 for the cross-check when Nelson had his back to him, and then when Brock Nelson was on the ground, watch the collision. You're going to take a little look. They just run into each other, and then Brock Nelson gets cross-checked, and then Bortuzzo, 2 more. Bang, bang. I mean, that should be a minimum of 4 minutes.
They got him for it. 2 separate minor penalties for cross-checking and a 4-minute power play coming for the New York Islanders.
And that's the absolute right call on Bortuzzo. I mean, hey, listen, I can see sticking up for your teammate, and that's he's bleeding in the nose, it looks like, too. But I think that was from the collision with Priority. I mean, I understand sticking up for your teammate if you think it was some sort of cheap hit, but once the guy's down, I mean, that's really just losing your mind. There's no reason to do that. That's a foolish second penalty